Now, welcome back to Daytime Live. We are back with more buzz.
Buzz. All right, everybody, so follow this story with me.
Yeah.
All right.
Following.
American Airlines has apologized to a black doctor from Texas who said she was briefly removed from a recent flight and required to cover herself with a blanket before being allowed back on the plane. Now, Tisha Rowe, family physician in Houston, was on the June 30th flight from Kingston, Jamaica, to Miami with her 8-year-old son.
So good doctor.
Good, clean skin doctor. Rose said she was
doctor,
asked to deplane at the Norman Manley Airport, at which point she was told to cover up and that she could not board her flight without putting a jacket over her assets. Follow me. When defending my outfit, I was threatened and with not getting back on the plane, unless I walked down the aisle wrapped in a blanket. She wrote in a tweet that has widely been shared and included a selfie of the romper, which she was wearing that day. All right, may I get the reactions from the audience so far? So we're going to discuss now, we're going to talk. Oh, there's nothing wrong with the picture? All right, so the general feedback and consensus from the studio audience is that it's fine. No, you know what I'm getting from this? Let me tell you something.
Them a ramp with a ramper, you know,
let me tell you something. Just got
Call Ashana, 007.
Let me tell you something. Yeah. You see women who are, on the curvy. Yeah, man, thanks for the microphone because I get in feedback. Women who are on the curvy side, who always, put on something.
They fill out the clothing.
Yeah, man, they pull it out. They're always getting this criticism that, this is too over-sexualized and this is too sexy or whatever. In fact, I think a lady on the flight was also saying that she was wearing a romper that was similar, a slimmer lady, and she up on the flight and she wasn't, no attention. But because she's blessed.
Well, did you go that? Did you just go singing?
No, I didn't. But we're going to get feedback from one of the studio audience because we just showed them the photo. What's your take on this, boss? I need a name and where you're from first. Floyd from? Yep, Clarendon. All right. Microphone not on as yet. We can get the microphone on. Hold on. We don't say anxious for talk. Hold on. We hear it.
No, but for me, what's the issue? Because you have to tell me what's the issue. Cover up with a blanket, man, not cold?
Yeah. Them take her off and tell her to cover. All right, yes,
Floyd from Liontown, Clarendon, promoting JJ's fashion. Big up yourself, JJ.
All right.
About the lady there, I think it's double standard because we have traveled and we have seen white people wear less clothing.
Slippers.
Because she have her God-given shape, and them likes it. Yeah, bad man, don't.
Wow.
No, I mean,
bad man is really
and it's interesting. It's funny that it's a fair from here as well. So that was in the news a lot. But my thing is,
hold on. Before
it's just interesting. It's just interesting to see that.
As a lady, do you think what she had on is appropriate? Do you find anything wrong with that?
I think for someone who's coming off vacation from Kingston, it is most definitely appropriate. And I'm sure if it was a man in his marina and his cut off foot shorts and him rip up thigh, no one would have had a problem with it because he's on vacation. Maybe they wanted her to wear a sock. Who knows?
Yeah.
Who knows?
No, it's true. Enough time I go up on flight and see some carelessness. And you just it's kind of a disturbing story though. It's a very disturbing story. I know for sure that they were like, they're going to refund her. But I'm sure she's not like about that life to get no refund. More than likely she in talks with some lawyer and the woman a nice doctor.
What would be funny is if that one of the persons who took her off the plane end up in her office.
Wow, no, me never think.
Doc me sick.
Me never think along the line.
And Doc say I want a blanket. That would be very interesting right there.
But it's an interesting story, and a lot of persons are talking about it. You see again the power of social media because, boy, a lot of times some rants go off, like somebody goes somewhere and they're not satisfied with a service, you tweet it, and that blow up can damage your brand, trust me. All right, so daytime shout-outs, daytime show. You have no
first
shout-outs?
one. I have a couple of those, but first, big up the Daytime Live crew, Duffy and Joel.
Yeah, man.
So Joel's the person of a big up here.
Yeah, man, here.
All right, cool. Now, special big ups to my mom, Althea, and grandma, Norma, and to all the parish farm queens in the national finals coming from Toya, the Miss Clarendon Farm Queen 2019.
All right, then be a come up then.
I
change them. Oh, Lord. All right. I have a shout out coming in from Giselle. All right. Giselle, I don't understand the middle name. Chocolatarian Street. Yeah, we get some interesting names here every day. Big Daytime Live shout out to the crew, especially Joel, so especially me. Hi, Giselle. Big up my mom, my soon-to-be husband, well, her soon-to-be husband,
Come
and her sister
I
and
was
brother.
gonna go there.
Another one coming in from Jojo Forbes. Big up my one and only ride or die son, Shermaine, and my bestie who got back from Spain, Shanice. All right, so,
Ride or
Hola,
die
Shanice.
son.
Our ride or die son. That means there's
I've
our party.
Our handbag.
Yeah, man, our handbag. But she say her bestie, Shanice, from Spain. So hola, Shanice. She come on from Spain.
This is from Daniel
Spain,
Richards.
Spain, like
Big up to the Daytime Live crew. Blessings every time. And from It's Shanex Boo. Big up to the Detail crew and big up to my wonderful son, Raekwon. And my family. Love you all. This is from Chattel.
And I get one for you. Junior Swavey. Big up the crew. Duffy. Big drama man that.
That's anyway.
Just say thanks
Raekwon
and
Murray
continue.
from Granville Trelawney, big up yourself. And from the Scotiabank crew. Big
One
up
of the bank them,
yourself.
because everybody catch you in a
yeah,
bank.
yeah,
NCB, Scotia, J,
The
everybody.
Scotiabank crew.
Send
Especially
some
Newton,
key cards though so we can, you know? Yeah.
Yeah.
Sagicor, everybody.
Anyway, Daytime Live will be right back with Bridges. She's be on next.
Yes.